So the best way I found to solve a spark issue with an Evinrude 115 V4 is to switch to a Black Max 200. So we're going to be installing this 200 here today. Pretty excited about it. It's in good shape. Should make this guy skip along pretty good. 17 and a half feet. But the transom's rated for 200, so let's see if she can make a move. All right, let's get in there. Let's install everything. You know, looking this motor over real good, I mean, I noticed some things like, the boots. They're old. It's going to cause an issue. Alright. But that's not so bad. But like all the wires, nothing's brittle. Nothing's burnt or overheated. Because I know these voltage regulators, I believe that is. Or that's the voltage regulator, one or the other. This one looks like it is swollen. It's come up quite a bit. I think that's a regulator. That's a rectifier. But these have been known to like blow flames out the side of them if they blow up that bad. But this, I would say, has been replaced recently. Look at how clean that is. Yeah, that looks good. There's no crunchy or cracked wires, you know. Everything's soft, movable. So, these are your trim, that's okay. I don't know what this one's for. But it just comes off here. Relay. Solenoid. But I pulled the fuse out of it anyway, so there's no power going through anymore. But it did have power. It was live when this thing was running, so it's not beneficial. It's for something. Run power off at something for something. That's your pressure for your oil tank. That's the T-in from the tank to feed this tank. What else we got here? So, regulator should probably be changed out. Doesn't look too good. But, I mean, all your coil wires are nicely labeled. Nothing's gotten hot or melted. Yeah, everything's so nice and soft. Nothing's brittle. Even these lines, Someone must have replaced them because they're too nice. The only one I see is this one. It's just a water jacket anyway. Right? But that's been replaced, obviously. That one. Yeah. Another bad boot. That's going to cause a spark issue. Cause a misfire. So, I'm going to get new ones of these, obviously. I might even have a boot around here. I don't know. But, yeah. We're going to go through these. First thing we're going to do is hook up our steering. Then we're going to run our wires, run our cables up. I'm going to have to cut a hole into the dash because I don't have a side mount anymore. Go straight through. Yeah, well, let's get going, guys. But she looks like she's going to be a winner. Besides regulator and these boots. Yep. All right, guys. And it's time for install. Any more successful than that.
The propeller wasn't turning.
No, it's because it's in neutral.
Oh. Those people drove by and they were like, what is
All right, here she is with the 200 Black Max. Honestly, it's 100 pounds heavier than that Evinrude, but it sits about the same in the water. Right at the water line. That's not bad. I was worried about it, but let's see what she can do. Everything's looking good. I don't see no leaking. Alright, let's go out and see what this thing can do.
Ahoy!
Nothing yet. I think the carbs might need to be cleaned up a little bit. Carbs ain't needed. Guys, I am super pumped. This thing hauls ass. It's got so much power. So much power. You don't even need to give it throttle and you're doing 22 miles an hour. Like, holy shit. It's awesome. Oh, wow. And I mean, she's running perfect. Just like everyone said, Smart Black Max 2.5 liters. They're just built different. They're the best. Super reliable. the idle, high performance, high end, tons of aftermarket support. Let's get her in here. Clean those cards, feel it. She shakes though. Boat's like, I love it. Awesome. That's how it's done, guys. Got a spark issue? Look at you, Black Max. 200, throw that on your boat. You'll be happy. I mean, just listen to it.